In this video, I'll show you two ways to install and use Facebook on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. First, let's install Facebook using the Microsoft Store, which is the recommended method. Click the Start menu, type Microsoft Store, and open the Microsoft Store app. In the search bar at the top, type Facebook and press Enter. Select the official Facebook app, then click Get or Install, and wait for the installation to finish. Once installed, click Open, then log in with your Facebook account to start using the app. The Microsoft Store version installs Facebook as a desktop app with Windows notifications and easy access. Now let's install Facebook using the browser method. Open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and go to facebook.com, then log in to your account. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser, then click Cast, Save and Share, and select Install Page as App or Install Facebook. Then click Install in the pop-up box. Once installed, Facebook will appear in your Start menu and desktop, and you can open it anytime like a normal desktop application. And that's how you install and use Facebook on a Windows 11 PC or laptop.